Soil, where life begins. In this lesson, formation of soil, soil composition, types of soil. Formation of soil. Millions of years ago, there was no life on Earth. It was just a body of rocks. There was no soil on the Earth. By the action of the sun's heat, rain and wind, these rocks broke into small pieces. This continued for years and years. Large pieces of rocks rubbed against each other and further broke into very fine pieces. They were carried to other places by wind and water. In this way, soil was formed over a span of millions of years. Soil composition. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth where plants grow. Soil differs from place to place in color and in the size of the particles. Different types of soil have different minerals. 1. Soil contains stones, sand, clay and humus. To find out what soil contains, take a glass, fill half of it with water, put a handful of soil from the garden in it. Mix it well. Let the mixture stand for 15-20 minutes without shaking. Now observe the glass carefully. You will see stones at the bottom of the glass, as they are the heaviest. Above them, you will see sand. Clay settles down above sand. Humus, dead plants and insects, being the lightest, floats on the surface of water. 2. Soil contains water. Take some soil in a clean, dry glass jar and cover it with a lid. Leave it in the sun for 1 hour. Open the lid. What do you see on the lid and on the sides of the jar? You will see tiny drops of water. This shows that soil contains water. 3. Soil contains air. Put some soil in a dry glass jar. Pour water over it slowly. What do you see? You will see bubbles float. This happens because the air in the soil escapes and forms bubbles. Types of soil. The amount of stones, sand, clay and humus present in the soil vary from place to place. You can see this for yourself by repeating activity 1 using different kinds of soil. There are 3 types of soil. 1. Clayey soil. 2. Sandy soil. 3. Loamy soil. 1. Clayey soil. It has a lot of clay. It is sticky. It can hold a lot of water but very little air. The particles of this soil are very fine. It is found at the bottom of lakes and ponds. This soil is used for making toys and pottery. 2. Sandy soil. This soil has a lot of sand. It is gray or brown in color. It cannot hold much water. Water passes through sand very quickly. Sandy soil cannot hold water for long. It holds a lot of air. This type of soil is found in deserts or on a beach. 3. Loamy soil. It is a mixture of sand and clay. It is rich in both water and air. It contains a lot of humus. Plants grow best in this soil as it contains the right amount of sand, clay, humus and water. Soil rich in humus is fertile. Addition of manure such as cow dung and plant waste by farmers makes the soil more fertile and rich in nutrients. Uses of soil. Soil is useful to us in many ways. Many insects and animals like earthworms, ants, beetles, etc. live in the soil. Soil is used to make pottery, bricks and mud houses. Plants need soil to grow.